Once upon a time, there was a philosopher named Rumi who said something very gloomy. He said that yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. And then he said, today I am wise, so I want to change myself. So with that being said, and then let us see what Blender has to offer in regards of changing an object. From object mode, we need to go to edit mode. You can also use tab button, and here we have today's tool, loop cut. The moment I click on the tool, Blender gives me an idea of where it is going to put the loop. If I click on it, the loop is there. If I click and hold my mouse button, it will give me the option to put the cut wherever I want, the loop cut. And loop cut means it is completely looping it around. And if I click and drag somewhere and I don't want to place it there and place it back where it was at the center, just right click, it will get back to where it was, right at the center. But these are all small easy peasy things. We need to get to the shortcuts, because shortcuts are power. So I'm taking select box and I can do undo a little bit, and now control R for rings and loop cuts. Control R is for ring. Now the tool has been activated, and if I mouse wheel over it, you can increase the number of loops you want and you can decrease the loops you want. And if I click there, that is how the loop cut will take place, and it is going to follow my mouse initially. And if you want to put it wherever you want, just click it, it will be placed there. But one more thing Blender developers have given the option is that control R for loop cut and go to any loop where you want, wherever you want, and we will mouse wheel this thing and click. Now this will be moving with our mouse pointer, but if we don't want it to follow our mouse pointer and just be there, we want it to say like, man, please come on, control, understand, be there. So for that, just right click over there, it will be exactly in the center. So this is how loop cut works in Blender. So with that being said, and then hit the like button if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and let me know what you feel in the comment. And if you want to wholeheartedly support me, links are given in the description, and the links are of Patreon page where you can support me and help me fund these even more awesome, energetic, energy packed videos of Blender tutorials. With that being said and done, try to learn it, understand it and see it. Until then, I will meet you in the next video.